Whenever market trend change, you will get calls like a signal. Right now sell call generated, red color candle open. Previous day, before 1 hour of market closing, buy call started, that green color candle. From that bullish momentum, market followed up to today. So that buy call follows today also. Today after 10 o'clock, market started to going in downside direction. So downside breakout happened, sell call generated, red color candle open. In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal, like a green signal, red signal, like that you will get calls. Whenever the trend change out, whenever the breakout happen, it will automatically give these calls. So likewise today, it's February 21st market. Today first call, this Wednesday first call, generated at 47,208, that straight white line from red candle. That is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. Through this entry point, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. For plan detail, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. So the entry point is 47,208. First target range is 47,090. It's more than 100 point first target range. After 5 minutes of market momentum, it quickly break out the first target range. So from opening itself, it's a continuous bearish momentum. Market was going in a downside direction only. If you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.